Okay, so let's see how fact fluency plays into another skill, adding fractions with different denominators. So our problem is 4/5 plus 7/8. And our first step is to find the lowest common denominator. So I can do that by listing factors of each denominator. So for 5, the factors are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. And for 8, my factors are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Okay, great. I've got one in common. My lowest common denominator for these fractions is 40. Notice that I had to know my 5 facts and I had to know my 8 facts to get there. So that's the first place I needed facts, was to find that lowest common denominator. Now I need to convert my fractions so that they will share that denominator. So to convert a fraction, I need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So to convert to 40, I know that 5 times 8 is 40. And then I need to multiply my numerator by the same number. 4 times 8 is 32. Okay, and I've got to convert 7/8 as well. That also needs a denominator of 40. So 8 times 5 is 40. And I've got to multiply my numerator by the same number. For 35. Okay, so now I'm working with 32/40 plus 35/40. Okay, notice to do my second step and convert those fractions, I needed to know how to get 40 by multiplying the denominator. So I had to know 8 times what equals 40, and I had to know 5 times what equals 40, and I had then to multiply the numerators by the same number. So I needed facts to complete that step as well. Okay, my next step is compute. So now I'm just doing some addition. 32 plus 35, that's going to be 67, and I keep my denominator. So now I've got an improper fraction and I can simplify. So to simplify, I can do the division. 40 goes into 67 once. And then 40 can't go into 27, so that's my remainder. So my answer is 67/40 or 1 27/40. And again, to simplify, I had to do long division, which involves multiplication, and again, knowing your facts. So to get to an answer here, to do this problem, I needed to use my fact knowledge at a bunch of different points. And that's true of many third grade and up math standards.